the fast-paced world of digital marketing, harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, AI has become paramount for staying ahead of the competition. AI-driven SEO, with its ability to analyze vast amounts of data and predict trends, has revolutionized the way businesses optimize their online presence. From keyword research to content optimization, and even predicting user behavior, AI SEO offers unparalleled insights and efficiency, enabling companies to rank higher on search engine results pages and attract more organic traffic. If you're eager to unlock the full potential of AI SEO and learn how to leverage its capabilities to boost your online visibility and revenue, subscribe to my channel today. Through insightful tutorials, case studies, and practical tips, I'll guide you through the intricacies of AI-driven SEO, empowering you to take your digital marketing strategies to new heights. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your online presence and achieve sustainable success in the ever-evolving landscape of search engine optimization. Subscribe now and embark on your journey to mastering AI SEO. Number 1. Understanding the fundamentals. In the realm of AI SEO, businesses delve into a sophisticated fusion of advanced machine learning algorithms and natural language processing technologies. These powerful tools converge to decode the intricate dynamics of search engine algorithms and user behavior, offering invaluable insights into the digital marketing landscape. Through continuous adaptation and learning from vast datasets, AI empowers businesses to navigate the ever-evolving terrain of SEO with precision and foresight. By mastering these fundamental concepts, businesses gain a deeper understanding of their audience's needs and preferences, laying the foundation for strategic SEO success. Number 2. Keyword research reinvented. AI-driven tools are reshaping the traditional approach to keyword research, ushering in a new era of efficiency and accuracy. No longer bound by manual analysis, businesses now leverage machine learning to automate tasks that were once labor-intensive. These tools sift through mountains of data, from search queries to website content, to uncover high-value keywords and predict emerging trends. By harnessing the predictive power of AI, businesses can identify lucrative opportunities for optimization and stay ahead of the competition in the fiercely competitive digital landscape. Number 3. Content optimization strategies. In the realm of content optimization, AI serves as a game changer, revolutionizing every stage of the content creation process. From generating SEO-friendly titles to crafting engaging body copy, AI-powered tools streamline and enhance content with unparalleled precision. Leveraging natural language generation and advanced analytics, these tools ensure that content resonates with both search engines and human audiences. By optimizing readability, sentiment, and engagement metrics, businesses can drive higher rankings and foster deeper connections with their target audience, ultimately leading to increased visibility and brand authority. Number 4. Personalized user experiences. Enter a realm where personalized user experiences reign supreme, powered by the seamless integration of AI SEO techniques. By harnessing AI algorithms, businesses can offer tailored content recommendations, dynamic website experiences, and customized messaging that resonates with individual users. From understanding user intent to predicting preferences, AI enables businesses to deliver hyper-targeted experiences that drive engagement and foster loyalty. Embrace the future of digital marketing by leveraging AI to create personalized user journeys that leave a lasting impression. Number 5. Predictive analytics. Unlock the power of predictive analytics in the realm of AI SEO, where data-driven insights pave the way for strategic decision-making. By analyzing historical data and trends, AI algorithms can forecast search engine algorithm updates, anticipate user behavior patterns, and predict emerging trends with remarkable accuracy. Armed with these predictive insights, businesses can stay ahead of the curve, preemptively adapt their SEO strategies, and seize opportunities before they arise. Embrace the predictive power of AI analytics to gain a competitive edge in the fast-paced world of digital marketing. Number 6. Voice search optimization. In an era dominated by voice-activated technology, AI SEO takes center stage in optimizing content for voice search queries. As virtual assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant become ubiquitous, businesses must adapt their SEO strategies to cater to this growing trend. Enable businesses to optimize content for featured snippets, answer questions concisely, and capture the coveted position 0 on search engine results pages. By embracing voice search optimization, businesses can ensure that their content remains relevant and accessible in an increasingly voice-centric digital landscape. Number 7. Technical SEO advancements. Experience the evolution of technical SEO with AI-driven innovations that streamline website optimization and enhance performance. From site speed optimization to mobile friendliness and structured data markup, AI-powered tools offer unparalleled efficiency and accuracy. By automating tedious tasks and providing actionable insights, businesses can ensure that their websites meet the latest search engine requirements and deliver exceptional user experiences. Embrace the future of technical SEO with AI and stay ahead of the curve in an ever-evolving digital landscape. Number 8. Competitor analysis insights. Gain a competitive edge with AI-powered competitor analysis tools that provide invaluable insights into rival SEO strategies. By analyzing competitors' content, backlink profiles, and keyword strategies, businesses can identify strengths, weaknesses, and untapped opportunities. AI algorithms sift through vast amounts of data to uncover hidden insights, empowering businesses to refine their own SEO strategies and outperform the competition. Stay one step ahead in the digital marketplace by leveraging AI for comprehensive competitor analysis. Number 9. Performance tracking and optimization. Harness the power of AI-driven analytics platforms to track website performance, monitor key SEO metrics, and optimize strategies for maximum impact. By analyzing user behavior, engagement patterns, and conversion data, AI algorithms provide actionable insights that drive continuous improvement. From identifying underperforming content to optimizing conversion funnels, AI-powered analytics empower businesses to fine-tune their SEO strategies and achieve sustainable growth. Embrace the data-driven approach to performance tracking and optimization with AI SEO. Number 10. Future trends and innovations. Explore the cutting-edge trends and innovations shaping the future AI SEO and digital marketing. From AI-generated content and automated link building to predictive SEO modeling, the possibilities are endless. By staying abreast of emerging technologies and trends, businesses can position themselves for long-term success in the dynamic digital landscape. Embrace innovation, adapt to change, and leverage the transformative power of AI to stay ahead of the curve in SEO and beyond. In conclusion, AI SEO is a game changer in the world of digital marketing, offering businesses powerful tools to enhance their online presence and drive success. By leveraging advanced technologies like machine learning and natural language processing, AI SEO enables businesses to understand their audience better, optimize their content effectively, and stay ahead of the competition. One of the key benefits of AI SEO is its ability to revolutionize keyword research. Traditional methods of keyword analysis can be time-consuming and imprecise. but AI-powered tools can quickly sift through vast amounts of data to identify the most relevant and high-value keywords for your website. This not only helps improve your search engine rankings, but also ensures that your content resonates with your target audience. Additionally, AI SEO empowers businesses to personalize the user experience in ways that were previously unimaginable. By analyzing user behavior and preferences, AI algorithms can deliver tailored content recommendations, dynamic website experiences, and customized messaging that engage and delight users. This level of personalization not only improves user satisfaction, but also increases the likelihood of conversions and repeat visits. Moreover, AI SEO offers predictive analytics capabilities that enable businesses to anticipate future trends and stay ahead of the curve. By analyzing historical data and identifying patterns, AI algorithms can forecast changes in search engine algorithms, predict emerging trends, and provide insights into user behavior. Armed with this information, businesses can adapt their SEO strategies proactively, ensuring that they remain competitive in the ever-evolving digital landscape. In summary, AI SEO represents a powerful toolkit for businesses looking to optimize their online presence and drive growth. By harnessing the capabilities of AI, businesses can unlock new opportunities, enhance their SEO strategies, and achieve sustainable success in the digital age. Subscribe to my channel to learn more about how AI SEO can transform your business and take it to new heights. Don't miss out on the chance to revolutionize your digital marketing efforts with AI-powered solutions.